Vipi wana watu wangu bana. Happy New Year in advance. Watch this video, subscribe, like us and engage with us guys. This is the best car ever made.
Landcruiser 100 series.
That's why we love it so much, because you can take it anywhere, take it to the bush, take it to the whatever, to the mountains. It will serve you for many years and it will never ever grow old. So anyway guys, as you keep on going on, you keep on ukiingarisha mrembo. Sasa mrembo pia lazima unamnunulia viatu, mrembo unamnunulia nguo, accessories, vitu kama hizo. Sasa today we have a lovely side step nataka kuvalisha. As you can see, it's a very beautiful side step. This comes with the latest of the Landcruiser. So you can see those side steps, how amazing they look. They also have an LED. So guys, unwrapping the beautiful side steps. Yeah. So ukifungua mlango zinawaka guys. So if you're wondering hizo LED ni za nini, when you open the door they light up, and it comes with this crossbars. Then you mount them on them. So that's how you mount them, and that's how beautiful this thing is going to be looking. So when you mount this is what to expect guys. This thing bolts in like this. Oops, kuna mawaya hapo, but yeah. So you can see, that's how you expect it to look guys. So it's going to bolt in beautifully, and it's going to be something of beauty. So guys, I hope you're ready man. Hapa mbele kuna mambo ingine very amazing going on. So we've got this massive bull bar. Yeah, very beautiful bull bar. We've got very beautiful custom lights. This is not the normal lights which comes with this piece. So we upgraded the lights. We've upgraded the bull bar. So everything is coming custom, fully custom in this monster machine. Even the front grille, guys. So expect to see something very beautiful on the road. So we're just doing the final touches before tufanye paintwork on this amazing big beast. That's going to be the bull bar. The aerial is going to go up there. The lights are coming here. The towing bar, tow bar, itakuja hapo, this or whatever. So the spotlights are coming here. So guys, it's a very exciting moment guys. So at Omar's Garage, custom built everything. Built not bought. Karibuni sana kwa YouTube, kwenye mtandao wetu. Please feel free to engage us, ask us questions. Don't forget to subscribe, because that's what keeps us going. You know that you guys, the more you subscribe, the more we can give you such videos and tell you and walk you through the processes. So guys, tafadhalini, if you need to ask any questions, come to our YouTube, come to our platforms, call me directly 0700088088 at Omar's Garage. So guys, karibuni sana, and I hope to see you soon kwenye mtandao. Give us a visit at Omar's Garage. Tuko hapa right next to Zitec University, next to Ruby's. Tumeshikana Zitec, Ruby's, and then there's Omar's Garage inside Bazaar Motors. So we have Bazaar Motors, which is a car showroom, and we have the Omar's Garage. So feel free guys kukuja tena kututembelea, engage with me, come and visit me, tunywe soda. Let me invite you guys. Anyone who is free this festive season, please feel free to walk in, come and give us a visit, get to know about your car. And by the way, we are doing facelifts for any car now. Atuchagui, we're not doing any more at gari moja, we're dealing with Prado. We're doing facelifts for each and every car. So feel free to talk to us, engage with us, come and share the ideas, but don't ask me what I can do and what I cannot do on phone. This type of questions, they deserve to be answered directly, so you can engage me. Uniambie, Omar, I want a front lip upper, I want the lights to enter here, I want this side to be mesh, I want the backside bull bar, front side bull bar, whatever. Like you can tell me anything and everything, and I can tell you what's possible, what's not possible. I show you the sample of interior, I give you the specs, each and everything that you're going to work on your car. music, sound and sound, and at the same time also we do Tesla screens, we do Android screens, we do music tune-up, custom cabinets for music. So there's a whole world of customization, guys. So you can't just say on phone, I need to know how much it is. That's going to be very, very hard question. So tafadhalini, feel free to come through Omar Garage, mutulize maswali, engage with us. We'll answer each and every question, and we're going to get to do so many things together, guys. So I appreciate you guys, I love you guys, na tafadhali feel free to subscribe. Tafadhali subscribe to our channel at YouTube, Omar's Garage, TikTok, Omar's Classic Garage, Facebook, Omar Classic Garage. Feel free to call us. My number is 0700088088. Repeat, 0700088088. We do all kinds of works, customization, interior, tinting, buffing, ceramic. There's nothing that cannot be done at Omar's Garage. Welcome kabisa, karibu sana hapa, feel at home. Come and have coffee, come and have juice at our garage. Karibu sana, we want to engage with you guys. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, guys. Thank you.